Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your madam. So let's have a short tutorial for today. For today's tutorial is paano mag-add ng trailer pag mag-upload ng Premiere. So, it's just a quick tutorial, guys. So, after you finish processing your video here, yan. Yung finish processing. And then, you go next. Yan, mag-next tayo next. And then, let's have this one, no? So, let's on the monetization and it's done. And then, wala siyang mid-ads kasi ano lang siya, less than 3 minutes. And then, let's go next. And then, let's check this one. Yan. And then, let's proceed to next. So, hindi ko na lang lagyan kasi short lang siya. So, let's proceed to the next. And this one, meron siyang ganito, diba? So, pag set as a premiere. Yan, set as premiere. Then, schedule mo siya. Let's say, for example, today, 26. And then, yan. Yan, nakikita nyo yung set up premiere. Yung set up premiere na yan, kung gusto nyong mag-add ng trailer sa inyong premiere, kasi pag meron kayong trailer, para bang gumagalaw yung nakaschedule na premiere nyo. Yan. So, let's click the setup premiere. Yan. So, in here, you have to select trailer can be 15 seconds, 3 minutes, 15 seconds to 3 minutes long, and play can be countdown begins, like para siyang countdown ba before mag-start ang iyong premiere. So you have to select a video that you want. So here, so you have to select 15 seconds up to 3 minutes na video kung gusto niyo siyang lagyan, like ito. So, pagkatapos niyan, so meron na kayong trailer. So, kayo nang bahala kung anong trailer. Basta, siya, 3 minutes or less than 3 minutes. And then, you have to save. Yeah, save nyo yan. And then, pindutin nyo yung schedule. So, if you want to change naman, if you want to change your, yung trailer na nilagay nyo, kung gusto niyo siyang palitan, so edit niyo lang yan, ha? Edit lang yan. And then, you have to schedule. Schedule. And then, close. I-check natin yung ating na-schedule na premiere. So, andyan siya, Yan, ito yung na-schedule ko. So, tingnan natin. Yan ang result. Yan. Yan. So, pag meron kayong trailer, yan ang lalabas. Yan, meron siyang naka-play. Yan, yung naka-play na yan is yung trailer na nilagay nyo. So, mag-play siya ng ganyan. Mag-play siya. Parang countdown siya bago mag-simula ang iyong premiere. So, ito talaga ang iyong premiere, right? Yeah, premieres in 3 days. Nakaset siya sa premiere, pero yung nilagay nyo na trailer is mag-play siya. Ganyan ang result. Yan. Okay. And that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na yan. Bye-bye!